So here's an example of using the fine marker BITCHIN Scribe tool to fit that to that uneven surface. So I have it set at approximately just above right there. From this side, keep it in line and make the cut. Okay, let's see what we got. There we are. Using the fine marker BITCHIN Scribe tool, you can fit contours or out of level surfaces pretty easily. Another BITCHIN Scribe tool. I can't take the Sharpie name, that belongs to Sharpie. There's a slight taper, it has to go this way. The hole that it's in right now is the bottom one. You'll see that bottom one is 5/16, so it moves up in 1/4 inch increments. From here to the center point, there is 5/16. So then in this channel, that would be 9/16, would be 13/16, 1 and 1/16. Top channel, it would be 1 and 5/16. From this side, 5 other measurements, starting from 1/2, going to 1 1/2. And then if you put it in the other channels, you're gonna have another 5 measurements there, from 3/8 to 1 3/8. And then you flip it over and you're gonna have 5 measurements from 7/16 to 1 7/16. 7/16, I think that shows it pretty well. Flip this over. 1 3/8. 1 3/8 at the top left right there. The 3 different scribe tools and the thickness of the lines. I think I've used this pencil. Okay. The ultra fine Sharpie. So there you see the thickness difference. So in addition to this, the standard scribe tool with a pencil, you can use the fine marker scribe tool, and I even have this ultra fine scribe tool. And in many applications, all you need is a mini scribe.
I think I'll just get all of them and cover my bases.